Hello everyone. In this video we are going to calculate a healthy heart rate range. So the user will be able to type in their age and we will output a range after calling the get healthy range function. I just googled it and it looks like here's the formula to get our range. You take the user age minus 220 and then 65% of that is the min value and 85% is what should be the max. So let's go ahead and write a function. I'll say get healthy range. Let's get our input. So I'll just say let age equals document dot get element by ID user age. I'm seeing on line 18 dot value. And again, this is a number, so let's go ahead and parse this. I'll say parse int. We'll make them type in a whole number, but we could do float if we wanted to. All right, and let me make this nice and big. We don't need that HTML anymore. All right, that should just be value. Okay, so there's our input. Now let's get let max heart rate equals age minus 220. Let low range equals, we'll say math.round. We'll round whatever we put in here, max heart rate times 0.65. Okay, let's get the high range equals math.round max heart rate times 0.85. Okay, and then let's go ahead and add a message to show to the user. So I'm just going to paste this in here. And so here's what we're seeing. Message, your heart rate is this, plus a break. The slowest heart rate will be this, plus a break. The highest will be this, plus a break. So that should look pretty nice. And then we'll say, we'll just output this to the user. We'll say get element by ID, output div dot inner HTML equals message. Okay, let's run it and let's see what we get. Strengthen your heart. We should put a label on there for that, but let's say I'm 35 and it says your max heart rate is negative 185. Your slowest heart rate that will strengthen your heart is negative 120 and negative 157. So it looks like we have a bit of a logic error in here. All those seem to be really low. Let's make sure that 220 math, yeah, so we should have said, and that was my bad for writing it wrong up there, 220 minus age. So let's run that and see if that works for us. So we'll say I'm 35, and there, that looks a little bit better. Okay, so sweet. Hopefully that helps clear that up. Hopefully that helps, and just seeing some more that we can do with JavaScript.